Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing here in Sanford, Florida. And today we're at a commercial building. It's got some leaks going on that we were checking out. One of the things that I think would be best for a roof like this, it's got a metal roof on it. There are some bad parts to it, but the whole roof has not gone bad. It would be a good candidate for us to put a TPO roof on there. And that's what we're going to check out today. All right, to wrap it up, after inspection, a TPO roof would be a great idea where we put down an insulation board and then a TPO roof over that without having to tear off all of the metal roofing that currently exists. I'm going to provide an estimate to the customer that's going to give them a few options that they can go through and see what's going to be best for them. Until next time, Matt with XLR8 Roofing.